have a kitchen, we'll cook, Bella. So if this is not starting your day 100% correct, né? Whole wheat toast, some lekker fresh yellow eggs, some cheese grillers and bacon. Let's do this Trans Africa breakfast thing, man. I like it. So this is Sutherland. We are leaving Sutherland, and thank you to everybody, to your inputs on Facebook when I asked Tankwa or Matjiesfontein. It seems like it's about a 50-50. So we chose to go the Tankwa route because I've always gone right into the park, but I've never traveled the road from the bottom of Ouberg Pass all the way to Tankwa Padstal, and I've never been at Tankwa Padstal, so that made it a little bit more easier. I have been to Matjiesfontein though. So Tankwa Padstal, they won our vote. So let's go via Tankwa Padstal to check what that is all about. Thank you, Sutherland. We had one insane lekker stay last night. Would definitely come to do it again. The first road right out of Sutherland, and I'm gonna show you now, in my humble opinion, this is one of the most beautiful viewpoints in South Africa. Those of you that have been to Ouberg Pass with us, or even on your own, you will know exactly what I'm talking about. Check this out. So then tell me that we don't have one insanely beautiful country. So this is between Ouberg Pass and Sutherland. This is a route we do every year on our Tankwa and West Coast tour. But just check at the beauty from here. This is most next level beautiful. We've got such a beautiful country that begs for exploring. So part and parcel of why we also chose Ouberg Pass was to come show Christian Bulle. He's never been to Ouberg Pass. He's never been to this part of our beautiful country. So I'm going to show you now. I'm going to pan and show you. But I promise you, the camera will never ever do this place justice. You have to be here. You have to come stand here and feel it and see it with the eyes of your soul. But let me show you. Check this out. So what you see there on the bottom, that is the Tankwa. This is, you can see, for 7 years and 14 nights into the future when you're up here. So we're going to go down here now. So usually where we go right to the Tankwa Karoo National Park, I think we're going to go left now. But Moersemmoer, we have such an insane, beautiful country, South Africa. So much to explore, so much to enjoy, so much to see. So let's go down the Ouberg Pass into the Tankwa. We've started the very slow descent down Ouberg Pass because it's such a long pass. I don't drive it on my brakes. I engage low range on Ubuntu and just let the engine do the braking going down here. So if you ever descend Ouberg Pass, just engage your 4x4 low range first or second, and let you don't want to heat up your brakes. If you're gonna go down here on your brakes, you're gonna most probably ruin your brakes by the end when you get down on the bottom. But Moersemmoer, huh? How is this for our own beautiful South Africa that has beautiful places like this? Unbelievable. We survived the Ouberg Pass, me and Christian. So in front here, this is every year when we do this Tankwa and West Coast tour. in front here, I'll show you now, that's where we turn a right to Tankwa Karoo National Park. But for the first time today, I'm gonna go left. I've never been on this road left. So now we have got about 80 k's to go before we get to Tankwa Padstal, where I've never been as well. I read a lot about it, seen a lot about it, but I've never been there. So that is a first for both of us for today. But I'll show you now where we turn a right every year. This is where we come out. So we take that road, then we go to Tankwa Karoo National Park, and like that board says, Sutherland or Ouberg. I don't know who sprayed there with spray. I kind of liked the sign when it was still old school and a lot of patina on it. And then somebody came and thought it was a good thing to come spray. So if you don't know where Sutherland is via Ouberg, you should rather not come do this. But anyways, that's my personal feeling about it. But now, who shot left, Nebula?
Who shot left?
Now we're going to
exploring new places.
Never been on this road, so yeah, let's go check where this leads to. But again, lekker Karoo paadjies. This is one of those bridges when the water is running like a foot over the bridge, and you think, nee man, this vlak, we can drive over it. You can't park there, sir. You cannot park there on your roof. Die water sal jou vat. Very interesting detour around this lost bridge. So, believe it or not, but here in the Tankwa, the water can come down very heavy. So yeah, like a detour, but just check this interesting rock formations there on the other side. Really interesting rock formations in the Karoo. But yeah, upwards and forwards. And so we just had to come mark a dry in the Tankwa Karoo National Park. Nebula,
Of course.
we just had to come see what it's all about. So let's take a lekker drive through the Tankwa Karoo National Park to see what it's all about. So lekker middle pos. We go right here, so we do this every year if we come to the Tankwa tour. But Bulle is full attention because what did he see? Dadur, Padstal en Bar. So now he just wants to go to Padstal en Bar. Lekker man, lekker.
Kom ons gooi left.
Kom ons gooi left, Bulle. Kom ons gaan soek hierdie Padstal en Bar.
Klim op die bar.
Klim op die bar. Bulle likes a bar, man. Moer. But I see.
Continue on unpaved gravel tire rupturist.
What would say the GPS? So this road is very famous for tire eaters. This road, those that know, they will tell you. This is a tire eater road. So let's see the maxis. Let's go maxis to this road and see. Come on maxis, show us what you have. Just when the dust became almost too unbearable for me and Bulle, we found this beautiful spot. Let me turn the camera around. Check that hier! Bulle, en wys wat het jy gekry?
Ja, wag. Een jakkalsgat draf.
Jakkalsgat draf. So dis is jakkalsgat padstalletjie, nee. As die laaste ene wat jy kry voor jy in Tankwa ingaan. As die laaste stop. Don't miss it. Wie gaan nie weer ene kry nie. En ek wil net vir hulle wys ook nie. Kyk hierdie agter die counter. Kyk hierdie mooi meisie. Hulle steek vir hulle weg hier in die Tankwa in. Weet jy waar kry so? This ugly old man, such a beautiful girl, huh? Must be money. Maar check net hierso, nee. Nee wat? Jy kan kom kry Jakkalsgat. Stop jy and then you say Trans-Africa said I must stop at Jakkalsgat. Larry, Bulle drink alweer. Ai. Wat stalletjie number 2 for today, Dadur. Let's go check out what this Bulle is already one craft draft. One as a sterk Bulle.
Is because sterk for me.
Let's go check what this is all about. So this is dark door because it is really dark door, but a pleasant surprise if you enter here in dark door. So there's a lekker shoppie here with some really nice journeys. Want dit is interessant hierdie. I can like it man. I like it. Ja. En kyk hier alweer 'n mooi girl, né? Here in the nothingness.
In the nothingness. We can also present.
They hide all South Africa's most beautiful girls here in the Tankwa. So if you're looking for a wife, I'm sure there's a few. Just come to the Tankwa. Al die mooi vrouens van Suid-Afrika. Hulle kruip weg hier in die Tankwa. But me and Bulle, check net even Bulle. Drinking again. Bulle, I'm starting to worry now, my bro.
Hoe lekker?
Hoe lyk dit?
Nee, hoe lekker?
O, nee. Hallo. Okay, nee. Arrivari. Cheers. Made it to the T-junction. So if you go right here, you're going to Calvinia. If you go left, you're going to Ceres, where we are heading to. And this is Tankwa and Middelpos. So our next stop is a Tankwa Padstal. Never been there as well. So just check net hoe mooi is hierdie pad, huh? Check how beautiful is this road.
In 4.5 kilometers.
Yeah, the R355. What a beautiful this reminds me of Namibia. Yo, this is one more of a mooi road. So yeah, they say about maybe 30 or so, then we'll be at Tankwa Padstal. We will eat something and drink something. Let's go, let's do this. Well, did you check it?
Yeah,
The UFO just crashed into like a little reach here. That is a UFO. The prawn are gonna get out of that now. So those that know, look at this car. This fell out of the sky as well. Ja, hier is 'n wille plek nee. Hierdie, ek is bang om hier te stop. Nou like Ubuntu, maybe Ubuntu is gonna look like that. But anyways, this is Tankwa Padstal, nee. Those that know, they will know. This is a very famous Padstal. So this is me and Bulle, our lunch stop. And again, most probably a beer stop for Bulle. So Bulle, how hungry are you on a scale of 1 to 10? 11. So this is the very famous Tankwa Padstal. Loaded with goodies. Loaded. And they even have toys for Bulle to keep him busy while I'm driving.
A cigarette holder.
I think Bulle, must get yourself a bingo for one. Of a launch rocket. So yeah, now we're gonna chow something. And Bulle has never tasted makatan. So I must buy makatan to show Bulle. But check all the lekker journeys. And there's a makatan. You see Bulle? This is a makatan and that is a wartlemoen. So let's see if we can get you makatan. So this is almost like an anti-climax because this is most probably where the adventure, where it stops. Because from here to Ceres, it's all tarmac. But you can still go further on dirt roads, but it's going to be picking out small little pieces. Because from here, the Western Cape infrastructure is so good that the tar roads are more than the dirt roads. So as of the trip, the dirt road part of it stops here because they get so little pieces of dirt roads from here that you have to like nitpick. So Bulle, what a Moorse adventure.
Yes.
Huh?
An experience and a half.
7 days ago we started this journey not having a clue
Not an idea.
where we're gonna go, but yet here we are, completed it. But completed it in a very slow pace.
We did. Stopped at every little crossing, everything that looked nice. We stopped,
Yeah.
took it in, appreciated every piece of this whole adventure.
So we'll still do a recap video where we take the whole route and a recap on it. But for now, Dirt Roads, you were good to us. Arrivari! God bless, keep safe.
So the food has arrived. So he just wants to rail with me.
I know why I always draw the shortest stick. And I was looking at this Johnny there, and I thought, chicken masala.
Chicken masala toasty and the UFO burger.
Pastrami stack or something.
Pastrami steak or something, bedryf butter.
Yeah, I don't know, man. Yeah,
Moenie nou vir my plan nie, ek gaan gou eet.
Bella, I must learn to listen to you. Yes. So, this is almost like an anticlimax, because this is most probably where the adventure, where it stops. Because from here to Seerust, it's all tarmac. But you can still go further on dirt roads, but it's going to be picking out small little pieces. Because from here, the Western Cape infrastructure is so good that the tar roads are more than the dirt roads. So, as of the trip, the dirt road part of it stops here, because they get so little pieces of dirt roads from here that you have to like nitpick. So, Bella, what a Moorse adventure.
Yes.
Huh?
An experience and a half.
7 days ago we started this journey not having a clue
Not an idea.
where we're gonna go, but yet here we are, completed it. But completed it in a very slow pace.
We did. Stopped at every little crossing, everything that looked nice. We stopped,
Yeah.
took it in, appreciated every piece of this whole adventure.
So we'll still do a recap video where we take the whole route and a recap on it. But for now, Dirt Roads, you were good to us. Arrivari! God bless, keep safe.